Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. It's been a rainy week in the UK. How has it been where you are based? So I was on my way to this call out, boiler locked out, had to get it quickly. It was a P1, so a priority 1. Had 5 boilers and only 1 was attempting to light. So the boiler on the top right wasn't working. The fan was running, but it wasn't going into ignition process. And then got the pressurization unit there. So I cracked on and got into the unit, pulled the burner out. Here I'm halfway through it. Here's the burner. This is its condition. So I found it like this. The detection was very close to the spark. Here's a look inside. Condition doesn't look great, but I guess it will get by. It's mainly the burner I'm interested in washing down and adjusting the ignition and detection. This unit could do with a wet and dry side descale. Well, I've seen worse. I think this one didn't light because of the flame detection and ignition not being right. Don't think so much the burner was that desperately in need of a washdown. But nonetheless, as I had it out, I gave it a washdown by the pressurization unit quick fill. I didn't have a brush in this particular plant room with me, so I just washed it down and then used a damp cloth. So this is it once it's been washed. I had a lot of trouble with the probes. I was hunting around the plant room looking for probes that I could use. And as I was getting them, they were falling apart in my hand. So here we have it. I think this one here got damaged as well. I needed 3.5 millimeters, give or take 0.5. I think even this one was damaged. I think I went through about 2 or 3 ignition probes. So just checking my distance. Need 3.5, there or thereabouts. I think this was the final attempt. And then got it into place and getting it ready to go in. I didn't change the flame detection, the ionization, didn't change that. I did file it down though. So it's all going back in now. Making sure everything is connected and attached what I took off. And just making sure all the connections on the PCB are there and on the other PCB. Making sure nothing is loose. Always got to double check, haven't you? The fan and the capacitor on the fan on the left there. Detection, and then below the spark. And then we've got the gas valve there on the right. Open the gas back up. Yep, that's open. Turn the boiler on. For some reason the other units are not, there's no power going to them. Seeing some of these go off and move the room. This came on with a nice steady light first time, didn't even hear it come on. It came on like a kitten and it was good. I didn't test it again. I just left it to warm up the building because they had no hot water and no heating. So I just had one boiler doing that. I will be returning to get the other units on. So this unit here I got on. This unit here was not going to ignite. It was just basically the fan was running. So I need to look into what the problem is with that. And then the other 3 units, this unit here, this unit here, and this unit here, there was no power going to them. So I need to check the fuses. I had some interesting readings. So there's my 20 Celsius, but that's going to go up very soon. Then I saw some other modules, just previous modules that have been removed and replaced. They're out of action, probably some spare parts. Here's the gas meter. And then we're going up from 20 now slowly towards 30. And our pump is running. One of our shunt pumps are running. Got a little gauge there. 1.9 bar pressure. 2 chlorifieds in here. And then we've got some pumps over here, some VT pumps for the heating. So this is the unit that is not working. You can see the fan there. The mains on, but the unit is not playing ball. I disconnected this in the end just to save the fan's life, because this unit isn't going anywhere in a hurry. So here's one of the side PCBs. I can't remember the name of it, but I'm going to check the fuses on all of them another day. And this was the unit. So here I am checking the power. So there's the power to the unit I got on, and that's still running. Here's the unit above it, which has got power on the fan. Here's the other unit with no power to it. And then back up to this unit here. And then we have 40 Celsius. We're going up to 40 Celsius now on the 1 unit. And funny enough, this is enough to supply this building with hot water and heating at the moment. That chlorifier is going to take forever to go up. And so is the other. Okay, thank you for joining me. Time to make my way home. Bye bye bye.